And meanwhile, the COVID tally in Manipur also continues to rise as 11 new positive cases have been detected in the state today. Among those who have tested positive include 3 individuals from Pherzawl district, while 8 others have tested positive from Churachandpur district. All the individuals who have tested positive had returned from Mumbai in a special train. And meanwhile, the State Health Department has taken up all necessary steps after detection of these fresh cases. The total number of cases in the state has now increased to 143, while the number of active cases currently stands at 91. Yes, viewers, another top development this as the COVID-19 tally in Manipur also continues to witness a steep rise with as many as 11 new cases being reported from the state today. Among those who have tested positive include 3 individuals from Pherzawl district, while 8 others have tested positive from Churachandpur district. All the individuals who have tested positive had returned to the state from Mumbai via a special train, and furthermore, the State Health Department has taken up all necessary steps after detection of these fresh cases. Well, with these, the total number of cases in the state have now gone up to 143, while the number of active cases stands at 91. And on the other hand, 11 individuals were discharged from the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences after their final test results came back negative. Among those who were discharged include 4 persons from Imphal West District, 2 each from Ukhrul and Thobal districts, and 1 each from Bishnupur, None and Tamenglong districts. With this, the total number of recoveries in the state currently stands at 52. And to give us more details regarding this development, I'm being joined now live by my colleague Sharat Chandra from Manipur. Yes, Sharat, another big development this as the cases in Manipur continue to rise with as many as 11 more persons testing positive for the deadly virus earlier today. What are the latest details you can give us at this point in time, Sharat?
Ronak, you have rightly said that in Manipur, this COVID-19 cases are continue to rise. And today in Manipur, in one hand, 11 person, 2 male and 9 female were tested positive. And on the other hand, 11 persons, that is this 6 male and 5 female were also discharged from RIMS hospital after they were tested negative in the fresh test. So we were informed by the Health Department of Manipur at around 12 through a press release that the newly 11 persons, 2 male and 9 female, were tested positive of this COVID-19 positive at the BRDL of RIMS, and they belong to Pherzawl and Churachandpur district, and recently they have returned from Mumbai by train. So, Ronak, they were returned from the Mumbai by train. All the precautionary measures like containment measure and the contact tracing have already been taken up from the health department side, informing the particular respective districts, and they were shifted to the COVID-19 facilities, COVID-19 care facilities at RIMS hospital. And now, you see, as this COVID-19 positive cases are rising in Manipur, now the total confirmed case reaches to 143, and right now the active case stands at 91, and so far 52 persons have also recovered from the hospital, recovered and already discharged from the hospital. Right now, this recovery rate in Manipur is 36.36, Ronak.
Right, absolutely. Well, Sharat, as you rightly mentioned, looking on the brighter side now, 11 individuals have also been discharged from the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences after their final test results came back negative. So could you tell us a little bit more on that, Sharat?
You see, they were earlier, they were treated at this RIMS hospital, and as these conditions improve, the fresh test has done for all these 11 persons, and in the fresh test, their sample shows negative, and their health condition is fully recovered. So, looking into the fact that they have already recovered, from this COVID-19 and also tested negative. They are being discharged from the hospital, Ronak, and so far, as the COVID-19 cases are continue to rise in Manipur, Manipur government is committed and also assurance that they are going to develop another 100-bedded COVID-19 care facilities, and they are looking one newly constructed school building to convert into the COVID-19 care facilities. So how long it will take to convert, and how they are going to translate their commitment and their assurance, it remains to be seen, Ronak.
Right. Well, Sharad, one more question to you. As you mentioned, the Manipur health authorities are now taking all necessary steps and following all the protocols to make sure that these positive cases are treated in the right manner and also to prevent any further spread of the virus. So could you tell us a little bit more on what kind of sanitization measures are actually being taken up by the health authorities?
You see, since this state government is already geared up this developing as many as more than 120 quarantine center across the states, and you say I also want to inform the viewers that it is not a difficult task for health department so far as the contact tracing is concerned, because when the stranded people coming back to Imphal, all they have been put into the quarantine center, be it in this community level or institution quarantine. So contact tracing nowadays is not a difficult task for the health department, and easily to trace the contact also. And right now, already the state health authority is already assured that all the measures like a containment measure and the contact tracing is already taken up. So I think by now, I think all the information has been procured by the health department, and also all the 11 persons who have been tested positive already shifted to the hospital.